Hi guys, welcome back to Technoxity. This is Adnaan Ahmed, and guys, in today's video we are going to compare Realme 6 Pro and Realme 7 Pro. So guys, if you guys are interested in tech, subscribe to Technoxity, like this video, share this video, because this video contains a lot of information regarding 6 Pro and 7 Pro from Realme. So guys, let's roll the intro and let's get the video started. Stay tuned. So alright guys, let's start with the display. So guys, the major difference in both the smartphones from Realme is Realme 6 Pro comes with an LCD display, whereas Realme 7 Pro comes with an Super AMOLED display. So it depends on you. If you're an AMOLED display fan, you can go for Realme 7 Pro. If you are used to smooth interfaces, then you guys can go for Realme 6 Pro because it comes with a 90 Hz refresh rate panel, so it actually makes the UI really smooth, feel smooth if even the UI isn't smooth. And guys, Realme 6 Pro comes with a base variant of 6GB RAM and 64GB storage, whereas Realme 7 Pro comes with 8GB RAM, 6GB RAM and 128GB base variant. So but then guys, the price is different. Stay tuned for the price as well. And guys, talking about the displays, as I just mentioned, that has a 90 Hz LCD display, and this one has Realme 7 Pro has a 60 Hz Super AMOLED display. It also has the always on display feature, so you guys can check that out as well. And guys, talking about the cameras, guys, Realme 6 Pro and 7 Pro both have quad camera setups on the rear side, but then they have a single and dual camera setup on the front side. So guys, Realme 6 Pro is better when compared their megapixels, because Realme 6 Pro has 64 megapixel plus 12 plus 8 plus 2 megapixel quad camera setup on the rear side, but then there is a downgrade on the Realme 7 Pro. It has a 64 plus 8 plus 2 megapixel camera setup on the rear side. Both have quad cameras, but then the sensors are from different companies because both of them come from Samsung and Sony. So both these companies have been used there. And guys, talking about the front cameras, one phone comes with a single punch hole display, but then the other comes with a dual punch hole display. So Realme 6 Pro comes with a dual punch hole display with the 16 plus 8 megapixel, 16 plus 8 megapixel dual selfie camera, and guys, a 32 megapixel selfie camera on the Realme 7 Pro. So guys, it depends on the quality of the photo or the image and also the processing power of the smartphone. And talking about the processing, guys, it is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G. Both these smartphones come with Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G. Though Realme 6 Pro was launched 2 to 3 months ago, Realme 7 Pro has no upgrade in the processing section, so that's a downgrade or the con that you can see in Realme 7 Pro, because you're paying more money for the same processor on a different device. And guys, talking about the battery, there is a little bit of change there, because Realme 6 Pro was with 4300 mAh battery, and Realme 7 Pro has 4500 mAh battery. And guys, both the charging capacities or the charging technologies used there are different. This one had 30 watt flash charge, and that has a super dart charging of 65 watt. And guys, that is really fast. But then yeah, you just don't have to pay more money for just a display and processor. Processor is same, display and battery. They just change the battery and display and increase the price. And guys, talking about the design, rest of the design is same that you get in the Realme 6 series and Realme 7 series. Only the change is the fingerprint sensor that was located on the power lock unlock button is now changed to the in-screen fingerprint scanner. What is that called? I just forgot the name. Yeah, in-display fingerprint sensor. So guys, because the Realme 7 Pro has an AMOLED display, you get that feature. And Realme 6 Pro's fingerprint sensor is not that bad. You guys can always go for it. But then both these phones don't have a front flash, guys, because I always record through my front camera, so that there is no error. I am using the Realme 6 Pro, but then there is no front flash that makes things really difficult while shooting a video. And guys, these were the specs that you need to compare. You guys can comment down which phone you are going to buy or you are interested in, and if you guys are going to support Chinese smartphones or not. I just had to make a video about these two phones because these both these phones have different storage capacities and also different price segments, because Realme 6 Pro comes with 17,000, the starting price 17,999, and also this phone comes from 19,999. Both these phones are priced differently. And yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next one. Until then, stay subscribed. Goodbye.